Okay, sir, for the full American worker, I don't just want a millionaire or billionaire or trillionaire in this planet. Don't want people rich. You have the all people rich in this planet on the earth. I'm just example what you can do for another for making the up. And if I want or can choose on army or medical and medicine, I prefer make my investment on medicine and medical, or I prefer paid and buy the soldier for create and making made a city, green city, eco green city. If I buy the investment on the 700 billion, I can say the soldier can work for me because it's my money. Sir Trump, you have a second chance for with me. I don't federal fund on America. I don't bank federal bank. I don't bank center on Europa. I'm just a soldier with the large money because I work every time on my life. I don't want to use my money for second step on your election because I don't have my money at this point. My regularization is don't come again. I prefer judge me for control the whole investment for growing the prosperity in America. And I prefer making the clean energy water or clean water energy program forgive the second chance, the chance I've make with you, Sir Trump, my president, for everyone, for making the new chance on this planet, on this earth. You have given the 6 billion, 16 billion on farm and agriculture, and you have making the 700 billion for the army. My question, you like farmer and you love family army, and for that I prefer stabilization for the whole country in the world with water, clean water and energy program, because if you're making that, you know, must control your border because everyone can live and have the beautiful life on the second chance on this planet. And after, if when you change the picture for American, don't for make just the money, but just for prosperity for the whole country in the world, you have and you will be the saver on this planet. I prefer this, my money is on that. I'm very sorry for don't can control my money on the lifetime because you don't give me for the whole sector I invested investment, you don't making for me a continuity for control. I must control the continuity for make the prosperity I don't see my money used for the project and don't finish the project because I don't can continue control my money. If you giving my money for the whole sector again, you prove on the everyone you don't seriously because it don't your money. I don't repeat. I don't Federal Bank of America. It's my money, and I'm a simple American. I don't can give for the whole America and for America if I judge the don't bank Federal Bank of United States. Sir, you have the so many beautiful place for giving the prosperity in the whole part in the world, making that for secure your border, and you have the soldier for building and making the new city, green city, eco town or city for the whole part in the world. And if you're making that, you have secure the large people angry or extremist people for making after the hospital, school and another program in BBest. I give 10 billion of the BBest for making the new generation, vocation generation for giving the new chance of the earth. I prefer say that now because I see the long time the different place on the investment, and I don't can control this. Make me the video link with last investment for control the growth sector. The whole sector can grow if you continue make the link on the whole video when I have making advertisement, and I want to know how many have at this time on for continue the investment in the world in America. Thanks a lot.